So Blue Boy was the wiener. He was the only one over here chewing on the bone. Oops, that first step. Yins are still falling off that first step. Now I got poop I need to wash. I need to wash down. It's kind of hot. Still rained again last night, but they're really used to the air conditioner. There's some bunny hiding back here. Who's this bunny? Breeze? Yeah, you found a cool spot. I think they're about done out here. They'll move over here in a few days. You know, I'm about getting tired of changing you guys' poopy paper. You need to learn to go outside and do your pottying. Come here.